Hello, boys and girls, and grandpas and grandmas, and cousins, and in-laws, and friends. I'm going to do a little dramatic reading for you of an ode to 2020 that I wrote a couple nights ago, and consider it my talent for the talent show so that I can be off the hook in that category in June. I took pages out of an old book and just changed the words around a little bit for the rhyme scheme. 'Twas the night before COVID. 'Twas the night before COVID, and all through the land a virus was lurking for which nobody had planned. The restaurants were closing, the classrooms were bare, in hopes for a vaccine that was soon to be there. The governor shut down only the most important tasks and said, "Be sure if you go out, the whole family has masks." With social distancing in place and staying 6 feet apart, making short trips for groceries would certainly be smart. When out on the streets there arose such a clatter, car parades going by with no time to chatter. Seniors who graduated sat in their trucks, and prom-goers waved with no need for a tux. Hand sanitizer, cleaning products, and so many wipes, and face masks, some homemade, of so many types. Takeout and curbside and ordering online. If we just flatten the curve, all will be fine. With a scientific doctor named Fauci in charge, the list of new terms was sure to be large. Press conferences were held, and the new words they came. We learned them and feared them and called them by name. Oh, Corona! Oh, COVID! Oh, community spread! Oh, quarantine and testing sites, please stay home instead. More screening, more testing, and full PPE. And don't leave the house until symptom-free. And before we knew it, summer came and went. And with the fall came positives at 30%. So back to the bunkers and away from the stores, we all clambered back to behind closed doors. Our governor once more turned back the dial. Herd immunity, he said, will still take a while. So shelter in place with the stay-at-home order, and schools will stay closed till the end of the quarter. Aerosols and droplets and testing with swabs, while the economy's still losing thousands of jobs. Though November, it seems like we're at the beginning, and forget about gathering with folks for Thanksgiving. But good news in the making, a clinical trial, and news of this sort we haven't heard for a while. Now safety and efficacy are the words of the day. Perhaps a solution will be well on its way. Pfizer and Moderna in a race for the cure. Emergency use authorization they needed to secure. Then alas, in December, a vaccine that can ship, and a feeling we might be released from the grip. Trucks on the ground and planes in the air, full of vials and doses and a hope and a prayer. Healthcare workers are in the front of the line. We need them all healthy till we see a decline. As Christmas approaches and we see the year's end, the year 2020 we hope not to extend. Farewell to closed salons and bad hair days, and toilet paper hoarding and no x-rays. On to 2021, a new year with some hope, as we continue on to the downside of the slope. Goodbye to Zoom lessons, goodbye to this blight, and Merry Christmas to all. And to all a good night. Merry Christmas, everyone, and a happy 2021. Peace.